In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Canva. Perfect for beginners looking to elevate their design projects, frames are a fantastic way to add structure, creativity, and visual appeal to your designs. And once you learn how to use them, you'll find endless possibilities for creating standout graphics. Let's dive right in. After opening Canva, either create a new design or open an existing one you'd like to enhance. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see Canva's main menu. Look for the tab labeled Elements. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Elements section, you'll find all sorts of creative assets like shapes, graphics, stickers, and more. But what we're interested in today is the Frames category. Scroll down until you spot it. Frames in Canva are unique because they let you contain images within specific shapes or outlines. This means you can easily crop photos into circles, hearts, letters, or even abstract shapes, all without needing complex editing tools. Once you've found the Frames section, you'll see a wide variety of options appear. Everything from basic rectangles and circles to creative layouts like phone screens and brush strokes. Take a moment to browse through and pick one that fits your project style. For this tutorial, let's choose a circle frame. Simply click on the circle and it will appear on your canvas. You can also drag and drop it into place. Canva's drag and drop system makes this step super easy. You can move the frame around, resize it, or position it wherever you want within your design. Now that your frame is ready, it's time to add an image inside it. To do that, look back at the left-hand menu and click on Uploads. Here, you can upload an image from your computer or select one you've already added to Canva. Once your image appears in the Upload section, just drag it over the frame. As you hover your image on top, you'll notice the frame slightly highlight. That's Canva's way of showing you it's ready to accept the image. Release your mouse and instantly your photo will snap perfectly into the frame. Pretty cool, right? If you want to reposition or resize the image within the frame, simply double click on it. This allows you to adjust how the image fits. Zoom in, zoom out, or move it around until it looks just right. When you're happy with the placement, click outside the frame to lock it in. You can even add effects, filters, or overlays to make your framed image pop even more. Try combining multiple frames in one design for a creative collage or layout effect. And that's it. You've just learned how to use frames in Canva. With just a few simple clicks, you can transform plain images into polished, professional visuals that stand out. I hope this tutorial helped you feel more confident about working with frames and inspired you to get creative with your next Canva project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick Canva tips, and share it with someone who loves designing. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.